Designing custom labels for CDs, DVDs, and media cases using MediaFACE templates. These files accelerate consistent media labeling. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use MediaFACE project template files for creative media labeling. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common MFT Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. The MFT, or master file table, is a critical hidden file on a Windows NTFS partition. It acts as a database that indexes every file and folder on the volume, including itself. Users search for this file not to open it, but for data recovery or forensic analysis after file deletion or disk corruption, as it contains vital metadata. The MFT is a highly structured binary file consisting of a series of records, typically 1 KB each. This design allows for rapid file lookups. For small files, the data itself can be stored directly within the MFT record, resident data, minimizing disk seeks and improving performance for the operating system's file management. In most cases, MFT files work best with Microsoft Windows NTFS created by Microsoft Corporation. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows can show their presence, but interacting with them directly is unsafe. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your MFT file, then click Open With. Test Microsoft Windows NTFS if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If you cannot access the MFT file, no problem. Your system failed to open the MFT file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, loading in MediaFACE. Install MediaFACE from Fellows, if available from legacy sources, and use File then New from Template to access available MFT templates. Select your template, then customize content with project-specific text and graphics. The template ensures correct sizing for your specific label paper or disk surface, eliminating guesswork during design work. Next, creating custom templates. Design custom MFT templates by laying out media labels in MediaFACE, then using File, then Save as Template. Build template libraries for personal music collections, business presentations, or family photo disks. Custom templates. Save design time for recurring projects, ensuring consistent branding across your media collection labeling. Finally, modern alternatives. For ongoing media labeling, consider modern tools like Avery Design and Print Online, or Canva, which offer similar functionality with active development. Most label manufacturers provide free design tools optimized for their products. Modern alternatives often integrate online with extensive template libraries, simplifying creative media labeling without legacy software dependencies. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.